In this video, I'll guide you through how to remove your email signature in Protonmail. If you're tired of a default line being added to every message you send, or you just want a clean, minimalist look, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to change. We'll move step by step inside the Protonmail web interface so you can follow along in real time. First, open your web browser and go to protonmail.com. Make sure you log into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one email address. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main inbox view where you can see your messages and folders. Now look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You should see a small gear icon, which is the shortcut to your settings. Go ahead and click that gear. This is where Protonmail groups all the options related to your account, layout, and email behavior. When the settings menu opens, you'll usually see a quick settings panel first. For what we're doing, we need the full settings view, so find and click the option labeled All Settings. This will take you to a more detailed page with a side menu, giving you access to every configurable section of your account. On the left-hand side, in that settings menu, look for the section called Identity and Addresses. This is the area where Protonmail stores information about who you are to your recipients, things like your display name and, of course, your email signature. Click Identity and Addresses to open that section. You should now see your email addresses listed along with fields for display name and signature. Find the identity you want to change. If you use multiple addresses or aliases, take a second to confirm you're editing the right one since each address can have its own signature. Within the identity details, look for the area labeled Display Name and Signature. Here you'll see a text box that contains your current signature. This might be something Protonmail added by default or a custom line or two that you set up earlier, such as your name, role, or website. To remove the signature entirely, click inside that signature box and delete all of the text. Make sure the box is completely empty so that nothing will be automatically appended to future emails. If you prefer, you can also use this moment to tidy it up instead of removing it. But if your goal is to have no signature at all, the field should end up blank. Once you've erased the signature, you're not done until you save the change. Look for the button labeled Update near the bottom or side of this section. Click Update to apply your new settings. This step is important. If you navigate away without updating, Protonmail will keep your old signature in place. After clicking Update, your changes are saved. The next time you compose an email, your message body should appear with no automatic signature at the bottom. You can always come back to the same identity and addresses section later if you decide to add a new signature or adjust your display name. That's all you need to do to remove your signature in Protonmail. Go to protonmail.com, open the gear icon, choose all settings, head to identity and addresses, clear the signature, and click Update to save.